Hey folks, I just want to show you how you can change the ink with your Epson Ecotank printer. We purchased this over 18 months ago now, and this has been absolutely brilliant. The best printer we've ever owned. Nearly 5,000 pages we printed in that time, and we are still on the same ink that came included with the printer itself. And also across all of that time, we've only ever had to deal with one paper jam. And there are no cartridges here to mess about with. You are just filling up the tank like you would put fuel into your car. And all that is involved is opening up the lid here and then choosing the ink you want to fill. Let's start with the black. Take the lid off the bottle, put it over the top. It won't leak out. It sort of locks into place over where you fill it, and then just push it down. And as you push it down, it will come out of the bottle and fill up the tank. It is so simple. And the great thing is as well, is that each of the bottles are unique, so you can't accidentally put the wrong color into the wrong tank. An incorrect bottle could not fit over the nozzle. And the other three colored inks are filled in exactly the same way. And once you've taken them up to the fill line, you can see exactly how much ink you have left at any time. Just by looking at the printer itself, you can physically see the ink. And now that we've filled it up, I would seriously expect another few thousand pages out of this before we need to consider purchasing any more of this ink. Like I say, it's just a wonderful printer. Really happy with it. And I hope this little tutorial helped.